What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. I got a jam-packed video for you guys today, like always. So before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys hit that like button, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button. Get me to 15,000 subscribers by the end of the week. Family, let me know if you made some money today. I know the market was all looking at Nvidia, all eyes were on Nvidia on the stage today, but if you made some money, let me know down below and on what stock. Okay, I'm curious. In today's video, I got a ton of stocks for you guys to look at. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Family, jumping straight into it, we got the SPY. We always look at the overall indication of the market. So kicking it off, guys, the SPY is right now sitting at 595.38 cents. You could see that we rose all the way near the 600s, yet we sold off. Okay, pay attention, guys. The market sentiment is shifting. So because we gapped up, okay, because we gapped up hard, and also Nvidia played a big role, right? We sold off because many were fearful. But family, when others are fearful, okay, that's the sign to go ahead and buy some. Okay, go ahead and buy in, right? When they panic, we pounce, and I'm gonna show another example of this today. So take a look at this, guys. On the week, we're down 2.5%, but the selling pressure will be over soon. Okay, they've been selling this like all week. All right, eventually they're gonna be running out of powder. So I just want to quickly get you guys into SPY. Next up, guys, let's go ahead and take a look, okay, at the overall market. All right, everyone was watching the video today. Okay, let me know if you made some money with that Nvidia play, family. Guys, Nvidia was all over the place today. Okay, we were up 2.5% pre-market. We ran all the way up to 133, and then earnings report came in. We are down 1% in the overnight. Okay, so if you guys enjoy the step-by-step earnings run of play, let me know down below in the comments. Let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Family, as you can see, we took profit on our Nvidia call options today. I went ahead and put a sell order for the Nvidia $130 call for March 7th. Okay, that's the expiration date. We went ahead and sold it at market open. Take a look. I sold all my 8, right, at 775 a contract, and I made $1,000. Guys, this is a whole $1,000 lessons that we've been going over in the video. Okay, if you guys have been loving the step-by-step option plays where I go over what stock I'm picking, what's my strike price, what's my expiration date, all step by step, let me know down below, and be sure to join the Discord, first link in the description, to get my buy alerts. All right, guys, enough said with Nvidia. We're just gonna let it do its thing. When the time comes again, we're gonna hop back straight into it. But for now, guys, we got earnings on Nvidia. It's just gonna be volatile, so I'll leave it at that. But let's hop into the plays I'm watching in for tomorrow. Okay, guys, so next up, we got ticker symbol TSLA. How many of you guys have been killing it on the put options for Tesla? Ticker symbol TSLA is down 4% today, down another percent in the overnight. So if Tesla can bottom tomorrow, right, it's been down for 18% in the past week, down 30% in the past month. This is the time, okay? It's getting closer and closer for the time to get in on the leap options for Tesla, okay, for the call option. So if Tesla makes its bottom tomorrow around 275, around 280 flat, I'm going to be looking into stepping into Tesla. Okay, everyone rode this one all the way down. Now it's time to ride this one back all the way. So be on the lookout for Tesla, guys. If I'm gonna be watching Tesla, I'm gonna be watching the March 14th. Okay, the March 14th $300 call option, just going a bit out, just so you give yourself enough time, because Tesla is indeed a very volatile ticker. So you got to give yourself time with these option contracts. Unless you're day trading, unless you're going in and out very fast, then you would use the weekly expiration. Okay, let me know down below if that makes sense, guys. But next up, we got ticker symbol HIMS. This is another stock that I would be watching around the $38 level. Okay, so with this one, whenever it sells off, okay, it usually has a green 6 to 8% day. So big watch for ticker symbol HIMS, Hims and Hers Health. Let's go ahead and put this one on your radar. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol PTPI, Petros Pharmaceuticals. This is a penny stock. So you guys, I know you guys love me mixing the large caps with the penny stocks. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, do a step-by-step on both of them. All right, so let me know if you guys have been enjoying that. All right, we got Petros Pharmaceuticals, guys, anywhere between the 10-cent zone. Okay, I know this one dropped to 9 cents and 50 and some change. Anytime this drops 12%, okay, I'm going to be looking to add in on the dips on these ones. Okay, so this is a stock that has been hammered to the floor, down 66% the past month, but watching for these bounces. And you guys also can go ahead and scalp, right? You can go ahead and compound your gains. If you make 5%, right, you could take profit, rinse and repeat on these stocks. Okay, so just apply that knowledge, right? And when you dive in for yourself, you can go ahead and learn that, right? So next up, we got ticker symbol WMT. Walmart is down 1.5% today, up 0.16% overnight. Guys, Walmart has been a banger for trading. Okay, you could see that it was down pre-market, rose all the way up to 98, and with the market falling, okay, it ran all the way back down to 96.35. But tomorrow, okay, if the overall market gets continuing towards the upside, I'm gonna be looking for Walmart to make a retracement back up. Okay, so take a look at this. I'm gonna hit trade options. I'm gonna be looking at the February 28th calls. Okay, the $98 call. All right, it depends what it opens at. That's why we may go ahead and hit the March 7th, right? Because we're getting closer to the expiration. But I'm gonna be watching these calls very carefully. Okay, this one, $98 call, sitting at $24 a contract. I know it's cheap, but this is a potential scalp. Okay, so you can scalp Walmart, right? You can hold for more, but getting in and out during markets like this, okay, where SPY may just tumble midday, that's a good strategy. Okay, you gotta be patient, yet you gotta go ahead and take profit. A lot of you guys don't practice taking profit. Okay, I just know that. So make sure you're taking profit along the way up, and then you can go ahead and ride the rest however you please. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. This is Alphabet Class A, as known as Google. This one is currently sitting at 173.41 cents a share. Guys, Google has been a major watch this week because of the fact that it's been down 6%. They've been hammering this one all the way down. But guys, these assets, okay, that I'm about to show you, like Google, these are great to hold long term. So as long as it's down here, right, this is a great buy zone. Okay, whether it's in the 173s, the 150s, the 130s, okay, just nibble on a small amount at each level. Okay, that way you can go ahead and dollar cost average over time. It's the best thing to buy when it's red, right? Sell when it's green. You just got to go ahead and dollar cost average over time. So with whatever funds you have, right, put some into Google, put some into VOO, SPY, dividends, ETFs. You can pretty much do it any way you want in the stock market. Okay, that's the beauty of it. But when stocks are down, that's the best time to buy it. But guys, okay, I'm going to be watching the 175 calls tomorrow for this one. If we have a sell-off in the morning, right, the 15-minute sell-off, and then we're going to head straight back up. Okay, so I'm going to be watching out for that. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, this is an example. Sometimes in the morning, okay, a lot of institutional investors love to sell their position, right, driving the stock price down. And this happens 15 minutes, okay, into the market. Then retail comes and buys in, they push it back up. Okay, so I want you guys to watch out for the 15-minute sell-off for Google, and watch out if it continues. It happened with Microsoft today. I want to see this thing happen to Google. So I'm going to be watching these call options. Okay, this one right here, the February 28th, right, this is a day trade. The 175 call sitting at 101. All right, I want to see a sell-off in the morning, and then they take it back up. All right, that's what I'm watching for tomorrow. Next up, we got ticker symbol DGLY. Now this is Digital Alley. Okay, if this goes under 8 cents, I'm going to be looking to pick some of this up. All right, this one is a still continuing penny play. Got to be patient with this one. Okay, you can see that there's massive support at the low 7s, so you can rinse and repeat these pennies, right? Low 7s all the way to 9s, right? Go ahead and rinse and repeat, but make sure, okay, dollar cost average, just like the long-term stocks, right? If you're down, right, buy on the red days. Okay, don't chase the green. Guys, I want you to eliminate FOMO. Okay, eliminate the fear of missing out. Your job, okay, is to make sure you're deploying your capital as efficient as possible. So it's better to buy on the red days than the green. Okay, also, if you guys have any option contracts, right, don't add in on your option contracts. Yes, there may be extreme circumstances, but if you're already up, right, you can leave what's called a runner to run, right? You don't need to add more to your option contract. Then you're just being greedy. So make sure you guys are understanding that. All right, that's going to be big, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol AAPL. They've been taking this one down today, down 3% today. All right, so if this one goes back up, breaks 241, I'm going to be looking for the call options for this one if they decide to take this one back up. But they got some news right now, so we're going to see what happens tomorrow with these levels. Okay, watch out for this 241 level and then the break to downside of 238. So I'm going to be watching those below. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TDOC. Now this one dropped 15% overnight, so I want to go ahead and play the implied volatility on this stock. So because of the fact that it dropped due to earnings, right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit trade options. I'm gonna be watching these put options, right, to open up. And now I'm not gonna be buying a put option. However, I'm gonna be watching to either get it put credit spread in or watching to sell a put. So if I, let's say, sell a put at $8 a share, right, if the stock drops to $8, I would get assigned those shares. But I'm totally fine with this. So I'm going to be doing something called the wheel, or I may play put credit spread. So once again, join the Discord so you can get the buy alerts. All right, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Now this one had an inside day, which means it didn't go up, yet it didn't go down. It kind of met in the middle at the end, but experienced both the drawdown and the upside before meeting in the middle. Okay, that's what inside day basically is in easy terms. Okay, so Palantir Technologies, if this one breaks towards the 90s tomorrow, I want you guys to watch out for the $90 call option, okay, sitting at 244. However, if Palantir wants the 85 tomorrow, okay, be sure to watch for the $85 put worth 114 right now. All right, I have one more for y'all, then we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. So last one, we got Uber sitting at 75.90. Now this one is up 1.26% today. So if it goes ahead and breaks its resistance of about 76.50, be on the lookout for the $77 call option. Okay, I'm gonna hit trade options. I'm gonna be watching the $77 call. These are worth about $63 right now. So Uber had its days of downtrend like all these other stocks, yet it had a green day today. So if this one breaks its resistance right here, the short-term resistance of 76.50, I'm gonna be watching for the $77 call options. Now let me know if these videos help you guys out in any way. I know some of you guys love options, some of you guys like penny stocks. I'm gonna get into more long-term stocks, right? I'm trying to switch it up here on the channel. So let me know what you guys like, okay? Now just a couple of notes before we go ahead and wrap up this video, guys. If you have been experiencing some drawdowns, just know that February, okay? February is one of the worst months when it comes to returns in the stock market. We got March right around the corner. I believe we have about 2-3 days before it turns March. So be on the lookout for March, guys. But it's important that you're here every part, every step of the journey, guys. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So if you can be here for multiple drawdowns, right, eventually it's gonna go back up, okay? Everything's gonna be back to normal. We got March, we got April, May, we got many more months of the stock market. So guys, take it step by step. If you made some money, right, and are, wondering whether or not to secure profit, take that profit, right? Because in the long run, you're gonna get your day trade back if you're testing this stock market out with under 25,000, right? If you can't day trade, if they give you 3 day trades, just take the profit. You can come back next week, right? There is always opportunity, guys. So with the limited opportunities we've been having, that we've been pouncing on, okay, we're gonna get more March, we're gonna get more April. All right, so be on the lookout for all these opportunities because they're always gonna be another one. So don't FOMO, right? Don't get the fear of missing out. Don't chase, because the stock market's gonna be here, okay? So I need you guys to compound your gains. Take it one day at the time. Be here for the videos. Make sure you guys join the Discord. It's gonna be the first link in the description. I've been working late nights and early mornings. We're gonna make sure this Discord is the best one, okay? So coach don't want to keep you guys in for too long. So if you did like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. We make videos like this every day. So if you want to watch another one, click right here. Make sure to turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So good luck to everyone. Make sure you are managing risk and watching the charts, okay? Trade with the charts, not your heart. I'll see you guys in for another video tomorrow. Peace.